struggle with waking up throughout the night and not being able to fall asleep quickly? Sleep is vital for recovery, storing memory, and for our muscles to repair. It is difficult to have those racing thoughts that prevent us from getting back to sleep. Losing those valuable minutes throughout the night can be solved with these simple actions. Number 1, progressive muscle relaxation. This is a free way to get into deep relaxation, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. It is the practice of tensing one muscle group at a time, followed by relaxing from the tension. It is a simple technique and can be learned by anyone. Only a few minutes are required. Number 2, visualization techniques. While laying in bed, it is easy to turn your attention to fears or negative thoughts. Try turning towards calm, restful images that could be a sunny hike out in nature, walking by the ocean on the beach, or simply sitting in your favorite place. Try closing your eyes and bringing awareness to your senses, visualizing colors, sounds, smells, people, or animals that make you feel good. Try doing this for a few minutes and getting back to sleep. Number 3, listen to a sleep cast. They are designed to help you use sound or visualization to wind down and soothe the body into an easy state of sleep. A few platforms that are available are the Headspace app or sleep playlists on either Apple or Spotify. Number 4, listen to music. You may benefit from visualization or a sleep cast, but sometimes might need another option. Listening to music stands the test of time. Specifically, classical music has been shown to aid in mimicking the restful sleep patterns with the ebbs and the flows of the musical notes. Try out Mozart or Beethoven's piano concerts next time you are needing to get back to sleep. Number 5, get out of bed. While this might sound counterproductive, if you have spent 20 or 30 minutes trying to fall asleep, getting yourself up and out of bed, moving into another room can actually help distract your thoughts. Try to choose a relaxing activity such as reading or stretching to help with becoming sleepy enough, and then you can return to your bed. It is important not to stay in bed, as your mind and body will start to associate your bed with wakefulness versus a time to be asleep. The next time you wake up throughout the night, which tactic will you be trying to give yourself the opportunity to get back to your best night's rest?